We are here now to rectify the issue that we came from yesterday, and we have finally opened the box. You can see this is the two box here. These are the two protection breaker. This one there's no connection. It's not doing anything. It's just fancy. It's not supposed to be here. But this is not the right. It's not the right breaker to be used. So right now you can see this is the voltage. This is the AC voltage is assigned. It's giving to 248 volts. The ampage is doing nothing. So right now we are going to carry out our test. So this is AC. So we are turning on our meter to DC. So if you can look, you can see. Yes, please. You can see is the voltage from the solar panel is giving us 101. You can see what is giving us 248. So it's not compatible with a DC cable. And secondly, we are going to lose for this cable. You can see they have started generating heat. If you can take a look, that's generating. These are the most of the things that cause fire at home. So this other side of it, we have this side is for the solar panel. This one is for the battery. So just come under. When you come under, please come under. Here is for the solar panel. This one is for the battery. You can see the battery symbol. This other one is for DC load. Let's assume you have a DC appliance. You want to use. You have a DC bulb. You have a DC electronics at home. You don't want to use your inverter. That is the power. That is when you use this particular part of it. When you don't need the inverter. But why you need an inverter and battery? During the day, if you don't need you don't really need battery, you don't need if you don't need inverter, you want to use your panel to generate the voltage, the required voltage to power your appliance. But at night, it's going to turn off because there's no storage. The reason why you need your inverter and your battery is for storage purpose. So your inverter will now convert the DC to AC to power your appliance. So that is it. So right now we are going to start the job. We are going to rectify this connection, and then we'll get back to you. see what's what. What do you do? Gentlemen, we have rectified the wrong installation, so we are going to take the procedure. You can look before it's giving us to 14, it was not working, and the average meter is 00, so now it's giving us 0.7 amp. This shows that it's working. It's our DC breaker, so we are using one pole. The neutral, we take the meter straight to the controller. Then this is the positive. This is positive, and also we bring the positive so that we can use it to control the charge controller when necessary. Maybe you can see we have off it, so we just take a look. So we have off it, just watch, it's going to cut off. It's going to cut off very soon. You can see it has cut off. Let's see, there's the battery, it has cut off. So right now, calm down. We are using this one as an area. Let's cut it off. I'm going to turn it on now. Just take a look. Okay, you can see I'm taking on. So now you have your sound. So right now it's charging. So this is it. We have changed the cable. So we have changed the cable. You can see this is our battery. This is our battery terminal, and this is our solar. As I said, I was telling you before, if you have a DC load, you can power it from here. So this is our cable. So this is our cable. So this is our cable for the battery. This is positive and this is negative. So these two, because of color coding, we use a red tape to identify one of the black cable. You see, so to make it the positive cable. These are the output. No, sorry, this is the input for charging. Just take a look. So then we are using this one for the